guys, my name's Amy. I'm from Superior Science, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a balloon rocket at home. Now, when you hear the word rocket, parents, don't be alarmed. It's actually pretty simple. All we're going to need is a balloon, some straws, some scissors, tape, string, and 2 chairs. Before we go into making our rocket, we're just going to go... Sorry, that's my dog. Do you want to make a balloon rocket?
Pretty sure he does, because look at that. That's pretty cool.
So before we go into making this balloon rocket, we're first just going to go over a bit of theory. First, let's just consider the balloon by itself. What happens when we blow it up and release it?
So other than giving your dog a little heart attack, don't worry, he's okay. As you can see in the previous clip, this is just the video in slow motion. As we release the balloon, it first travels through the air before it falls to the ground. And now we're going to explore why this happens.
So we're first just going to define what a force is. And a force is a push or pull on an object that either changes its shape or its motion. So just so you can visualize that, imagine you have a plate of Brussels sprouts and you say, I don't want these Brussels sprouts, and you push them across the table. That's using a pushing force. But now if you say, actually, Brussels sprouts, they taste pretty good, and you're pulling the plate towards you, that's using a pulling force.
So back to our balloon. Why is it that it first travels through the air before falling to the ground? In order to make an object move, a one-way force has to work in the opposite direction. And so in this case, the balloon is full of air, and when we let go of the balloon, the air rushes out of the opening, creating a pushing force in the opposite direction. This is because as we're blowing up the balloon, we're filling up the balloon with gas particles that move freely within the balloon and therefore increasing the pressure. When we release the balloon, the air escapes from the opening so that the pressure outside of the balloon is the same as the pressure inside of the balloon. And this is what is creating our pushing force that allows our balloon to be pushed through the air. All right, time to use this knowledge to work and make our very own balloon rocket. So we're first just gonna grab our string, and you're gonna cut this about 6 feet, or you can do it a bit longer depending if you wanna experiment. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna tie it to the one end of our chair. Next, we're just going to thread the other end of our string through the plastic straw. Then we're just going to tie the other end of the string to another chair that you have set up about 6 feet apart, or however long you cut your string. And then you just want to make sure that you move the chair so that the string is taut. Now we're just going to grab our tape, and you're going to cut a piece of tape, and you're going to attach it to your straw, but you want to make sure that the 2 ends don't stick together. If you have someone helping you, you could just do this after you blow up the balloon. And now we're going to take our blown up balloon and attach that to the 2 pieces of tape, making sure that the end is facing the opposite direction that we want our balloon to travel, because remember, it's going to be pushing our balloon forward. All right, and this is where I get really excited for our big reveal. And I thought I would just leave this in here because, you know what, not everything's gonna work out on the first try, and that's okay. It worked on the second try, so don't give up, guys, if it doesn't work right away. And then I actually decided to take this a little further and see how far our balloon rocket could go. And I encourage you guys to do the same. If you make this balloon rocket, just see how far it can go in your backyard. And yeah, just have fun experimenting with it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.